Details. It is July 5th, 2023. We are here at the branch office. I'm getting ready to clean her up. Let's take a look. Transducer and knot meter, pretty fouled. It's all pretty fouled. Let me get her all cleaned up, then I'll get you an after video.